Hello and welcome to today's Sunday lecture. We haven't had a lecture in a few weeks. We've been focused on the global sessions to enliven the great wave of creation, and we're getting the hang of that right now. We've actually received a lot of experiences from people, so I wanted to read some of those experiences for you because it's such an exciting period of time to see what is happening for people when they participate in these global sessions. Now, in the next month or so, we're going to be adding a lot of people in Asia doing these sessions, and that means that it's going to make it more powerful for all of us, and it will even further help get rid of the negativity that's in the atmosphere right now. But here are some of the experiences that we've selected. First, and these are from the United States and Europe, because as I said, the Asian ones, they're going to be will start in China and Taiwan and the Philippines in about a month. Here's one from New York. I really enjoy and appreciate the global healing sessions and look forward to it every time. I feel very fortunate to be connected with these great energies and great beings of light. I love my personal sacred sounds, along with the pendants. The sessions are very comforting and energizing, like a deep meditation, affecting all levels and layers, a general sense of ease and well-being, improved health, greater love and success. Grateful. Many blessings. Now that one brings up a lot of things that we see across all of the experiences. The feeling of gratitude for being able to take part in this with everyone else in the world, a feeling of gratitude for being able to help to do something for the world, that generalized feeling of everything is going better, a deeper sense of love and peacefulness, success, health, all of that. These are things that we keep hearing over and over, and you know, we just love hearing this from you. Here's another one from Colorado. I am surrounding myself with these sacred sounds and pendants, loving the feeling of fullness and balance that it adds to life. After receiving my personal sacred sounds, I created a tree of sacred sounds, which is growing along with my tree of Genesis. It feels like a forest of light in my home, and I love being in it. Then I got a second set of 8 Sacred Sounds pendants along with the 10-pack of distance sessions. Wow. I so look forward to these sessions and can feel the rejuvenating energies moving through me. It brings such peace and balance. So relaxing. Plus, I love being part of this live session around the world, contributing to the enlivenment of the great wave in all. By the way, let me just interrupt there for a second. In both of these experiences, the person writing, when they said they loved being a part of this, they put love in all caps, all capitalized. That gives us an idea of how much everyone just loves participating in this. I love being part of this live session around the world, contributing to the enlivenment of the great wave and all. I've found these Sacred Sounds pendants are very powerful to wear, to place on photos and maps for distance work, and to enhance my meditations by holding one pair of Sacred Sounds pendants along with the supercells. In addition, I practice other biogenesis techniques, and with all of this, I feel a deeper, richer fullness of life. New doors are opening in my mind, my heart, and in my everyday experience that I didn't even know existed. And that's something else that we hear frequently. New opportunities, a feeling of new possibilities coming to people who are doing these sessions. In fact, there's one that we got, this one is more business oriented, but it was a business person, so that would explain why, I suppose. Anyway, this one said, I've had 3 sessions over the past 3 weeks, and the effects on my life are amazing. Some of the greatest difficulties I've been facing have simply been removed without any effort. Also, I notice a great shift in my work. I've received 4 months worth of commissions in the last 3 weeks. These sessions are now the most important part of my week. Not bad. Here's one from the Netherlands. This person participates sometimes late at night when we do these, and she had a friend of hers sitting in the same room while she was doing the session. And this one's paraphrased, so I don't actually have, it's written from third person. The friend saw a pillar of white light behind the person's head, or behind the person. So this person in the Netherlands was sitting in a chair doing her session, sitting up instead of lying down, and her friend saw a pillar of white light form behind her, and the colors of indigo and purple form above the woman's head. The friend could tell that she had gone very deep during the session, and the woman herself said it was the deepest she'd ever gone in any type of treatment or technique. They both felt it was very powerful. That's, again, something that we've seen and we've now heard in 3 different of these experiences, the idea that you go really deeply in these sessions. It's just amazing how deeply these sessions take you. And it's just 30 minutes. So it's pretty amazing how effective it is. Here's one that we received from Arizona. And this one I'll end with, it's very specific and touching. I have been using biogenesis tools for 10 years. My beloved husband and soulmate passed to the other side 7 months ago. I recently got my Sacred Sounds Pendants and did my first treatment session with the pendants. During the love pendant portion of the treatment session, I believe my darling husband came to me. My eyes were closed and I was visualizing him very intensely as I repeated my sounds. I could hear his deep voice saying the sounds with me. To my closed eye inner vision, he suddenly had form and substance. It was as if he were standing before me, smiling. He embraced me. I could distinctly feel his arms around me, holding me tight. I could feel his face pressed next to mine as he repeated the sounds with me. I never had any doubt that my personal sacred love sounds were uniting me with him, but the treatment session was the first time I felt him hold me during the repetition of the sounds. Tears flowed in gratitude. Wearing the love pendant is now a symbol and a promise to me of our connection as twin souls or reflective values. All the pendants are sublimely beautiful and meaningful to me, but the love pendant and the personal sounds for love used during the treatment session brought a special sacred blessing. I am grateful beyond words. And we are grateful beyond words for all of your experiences. I know, for example, like with that one, they can be incredibly personal experiences, but it is so beneficial for everyone else to be able to hear these experiences from you. Because to participate in these sessions, well, you not only need all 8 pendants, Sacred Sounds pendants, you also need the Super Water Cell, the Super Star Cell, a biotranslator, and you need to take the time out of your day to do these sessions. Whether it's just once a week or you do it twice a week, you actually need to take the time to do the sessions, and it's not on your time, it's on the global time because everyone's doing it at the same time. Now remember, if you have someone with you who is able to use the flame and the wand, you don't need to subscribe to the service from us. You don't need to buy any of the treatment sessions from Biogenesis. The link goes out to everyone so that everyone is able to do this together completely for free. The only time you need to get, to buy a treatment from Biogenesis is if you need us using the flame and wand on your photograph for you. But if you have someone else who's able to do that, just make sure that you participate with the rest of us during those live events. I remember what Lanto said. I read it to you a couple of weeks ago. He said, a global event will be heard by the global form, the World Mother. A very great blessing. Okay, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. It's wonderful every Sunday, every Wednesday when we do these sessions, and once we start the ones in Asia, I'll let you know those times as well. They will be at different times because we have to accommodate their time zone. So it's going to be late in the afternoons, probably on a Tuesday and a Friday, our time, to be able to accommodate their time zones best. Okay, everyone. Have a great rest of your day and have a great week.